Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to come on to do a layout for the scrap room using one of the April 2022 double shot kits. And this is Echo Park Play All Day Girl. It is so cute. So I've got some really nice deep navy cardstock. Does it say the kind it's called? Velvet Night. Ooh, I have a Velvet Night cardstock. I have got, does this say? Oh wait, yes, there's more. Atlantic Shore cardstock. Pretty exciting. Got this one, it's called Playdate. It's so awesome. So this one's all full of icons. This is Mixed Floral. Guys, I love this pink right here. And, oh, look at these florals to cut out. This is Best Friend Floral, which is super awesome as well. And I've got a big old sticker sheet to play with. Now I'm going to use this photo that's pretty darn old. I believe it's 2014 of my youngest in this really cool candy store that's in Traverse City. I don't even know if it's still there. It's called Dylan's Candy Shop. Anywho, so it's an old school pic of her. I thought it was funny. She looks a little irritated even back then with me taking pictures. Who'd have thunk? And I'm going to use a Freaky Fast Friday formula. So we need one 3.5 inch circle, one 10 by 3 inch piece, two 3 by 5 pieces, and one 9 by 2. Awesome. So what I'm going to do is just go right to my patterns because I have plenty of cardstock, and I'm going to, cut some up, go for it, and I'll be right back. So I did go ahead and I have my I don't have words again, turquoise background, and then I double matted my layout, which I'm digging. Here are my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 3 by 5 pattern papers, and these are just front and back here. I've got a 3.5 inch circle, which, look at that. Apparently that's the size of my giant circle punch. A 10 by 3 and a 9 by 2. And I kind of like this vibe. I'm feeling it. So I'm going to do something kind of like this. And I think I want to layer these here. Now I do have lots and lots and lots, as we know, of circles. So I'll come up with my title from here. I like this banner piece. So maybe I'll have that swooping here to bring in some of the fun. Now, there are 5 bazillion adorable things here, so I'll make some scenes or something like that. Look at the borders. Got to do the borders. So I think I'll have a border there and a border there. This is the same as that. I don't know. I know I'm going to use the borders. I know I'm going to use the florals. I have to use everything. Okay. What I'm trying to decide, not that it's the biggest deal ever, of course, is do I want to turn these into fishtail banners? And I kind of do. That means I can turn these into fishtail banners. I'm going to mat my photo on this piece that I have left of the navy cardstock, which will bring this as a pop as well. And maybe I'll do another piece of pattern paper with navy. Do I want to do that? Don't know. Not quite sure. Or I can punch a ticket. I'm not quite sure. All right. Let me calm down. I'm going to mat my photo, turn these into fishtail banners, get them on there, and I'll be back in a jiffy. Look at how cute this little border bit is. It's like doing hardly anything, and it adds so much. Like, what I'm saying is it's not like I went and grabbed all kinds of supplies. I just find that to be so stinking cute. And I'm wondering, okay, I know this is going to be here. Do I want to put this here? I don't know. I just think it's adorable. I don't know. Or is it like too offset? Like, is it too, no, we're doing it because we want to. And that's what we do. Okay. So my photo is about here. I will go ahead and just go ahead and butt it up against it because we do love all of the pattern if we can. So this has an extra little notch that I think I'll take off right there. Great. Now I did trim these two down, and they are pieces right here, and I'm just having them hang out until I can decide what they want to be. I'm gonna make sure to consider them and try to get them in. And my daughter's facing kind of this way, so I decided to pop the photo up a lot higher than maybe I normally would. So that's why I decided to bring this piece down low. So I have like a nice little diagonal going in that way. Now what? Now what? Now, let's see. This would be cute if I went ahead and grabbed a ticket punch, which I do have. Oh gosh, punches on punches, right? Got some ticket punches right here. And I think I'll be able to get a nice little punch out of this. Oops, apparently I have to let it go. There we go. Sorry if my head's on it. So I've got a nice little ticket in that gorgeous blue. And this one is really dinky, so I don't know if you know what I can do? I can punch a little bit and we'll just tuck in the rest. No harm, no foul. So I still did use them. They just got rearranged a little tiny bit. And I used my punches, which is great because I haven't used my ticket punches in a minute. So let's go ahead and just, I think they go like this, and pop those little bits in. So then I feel like I've completed the Freaky Fast Friday. The rest will be just regular fun design stuff. So about there. Maybe I'll put that one on a, ew, you can't see it that well. Not that it's like the worst thing ever, but here, if I go like that, you can see a little bit more of the yellow. Okay, cute. It's on a little bit of a wonk, not a big deal. Now, what we need to do next is start looking at all of this cuteness. Now, I was very interested in this, but I don't want it to get lost. I don't know. I was going to put it across this way when this was higher, but now I don't think that's a good idea. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. I got to get my thinking on. So I have a tiny bit of traction. I decided to move my photo down just a little bit because I want to have this hot air balloon go right here. I think it is adorable. And it works with a little circle shape. So we just have to shimmy stuff around a little bit when we come into these decisions. So I'm going to keep playing, but I thought I would show you kind of how the thought process or design process just kind of moves as I keep pulling product because, yeah, I want to use all the things, every one of the things. And I brought the tickets down here because I thought they showed up just a little bit better. On our sticker sheet, we have this one right here as well that reads Little Dreamer, and I think it is adorable. Okay, I'm going to tuck that in. I'll be right back. So guys, I've just been playing and adding and all of that kind of stuff, and I just needed to have this banner on here, so I was building a little spot for it to go because, you know, I dig banners. I think they're so cute. So we have that. Cute, cute, cute. Let's see. I popped a couple florals in because if I can pop a floral in, I just will. That's how that stitch goes. Oh, and I also went ahead and popped my title on, Let's Play All Day. I thought that would be a really cute title. So at this point, I'm going to just probably get a couple more of these stickers on and grab some gems or something for my stash because this is one of those Freaky Fast Friday formula. For some reason for me, it just comes together so quickly. It tells you what to do. So then you just see what direction you want your papers to go into. And that is that. I think it's super fun. I'm going to play a little bit more. I will come back when we pop just a couple gems or enamel dots on or something. Okay, I'll be right back to finish up. So I have some Pink Fresh jewels. And I have one little cluster here, a little cluster there, and I thought I would bring one more little cluster down here of them, just so I have a little bit of extra sparkle and shine, which is perfect for a little girl layout. Like, why not? So cute. So cute. So let me get a bit of a large gem. Ooh, that one's really big. And maybe this nice size yellowy one. And then what color do I need? Oh, white or clear. I don't know. This one, like a little iridescent one. And that will wrap up this layout. I think this collection is so darn cute. Oh, and did I show you right here that I did go ahead and I have my banner piece on there, which I think is really fun. The only thing I'm trying to figure out is if I want a little twirly-do, if I can find some white twine. Let me go look. I did find some pink and white twine just hanging out in a bin of mine. And this is the whole quantity that I actually have. So I'm like, all right, let's just go for it. Let's use it up. So how fun is that? Lovely little color match. And anytime I can use up something, it makes me very happy. So here is my layout. I'll have a couple of still shots in just a moment. Oh shoot, and I meant to say I'll also have links for the website, the Facebook group, and the blog. Okay, still shots in a moment.